My name is Sam Yu, and this is Golden Diner in Chinatown, New York. We'll be making our chili crisp wedge salad. I love to do a lot of like classic cheesy or like mayo-y dishes, but make them vegan. So for example, we have like a vegan nachos with a cashew cheese that we make. We have a grilled cheese that's completely vegan, and it's the only grilled cheese that we offer. I like to play with that. I think we put this on the menu during the spring or summer when it was really hot, and at that point we only had 2 salads on the full-time menu, and so this was just a nice way to get a third one on. We incorporate one of our ingredients, the chili crisp. That recipe came from a friend who owns a vegan restaurant just up the block called Fat Choi, and so we adapted that recipe and made it into our own. So on the menu you'll see it says chili crisp a la Fat Choi. So right now I'm just cleaning up the lettuce, just want to make sure it's the right size. Want to have any dark parts. It's important for me to keep the core intact so the wedge actually stays together. I love that it's balanced in the sense you get those crisp, fresh, watery vegetable bites, but you also get a lot of heat and texture as well from the chili crisp wedge salad. You get the smokiness from our mushroom bacon that we make. We really love mushrooms here at Golden Diner because they're so versatile. They could give you that meaty texture. In this case, they give us a really great crispy bacon texture. This also is a multi-day process where we cure them in bacon spices overnight, let all the water leach out, and then we dehydrate them to a point where most of the water is gone. Very slow, low fry them until they turn into pretty much this color, and then finally we smoke them probably about 3 times, which takes about like 2 hours or so. So this is to give a little bit of that raw onion heat and also a little more texture. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna make this. So it's important for us to get into all the nooks and crannies of each of the iceberg, so that's why we plate it on the side. So that's our vegan ranch dressing. It's soy-based. There's onion powder, lots of dill, garlic powder. Yeah, so this is our vegan blue cheese. This is a purchased product from Follow Your Heart. They do a lot of great vegan options for cheese, and often when we develop a recipe, we do either try to source it from a really high quality company, or we try to make it ourselves. And so this is one of those products where when you try this, you're gonna be so shocked that this is actually vegan, and it has all the notes of blue cheese funk. And so this is not something that I would try to compete or try to replicate on my own. And then we have our chili crisp, which I think really makes this dish. So in this is a whole ton of spices and crispy garlic and crispy shallots and chilies and Szechuan peppercorn. This is really a lot of what makes this dish really special. So we're quite generous with it because it really does do a lot. And finally, we have our mushroom bacon. Finish the dish off. And that's it, our chili crisp wedge salad.